Hi, today in front of me VIVO Y16 and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by press and hold to the down volume button, don't forget first to lock your device. By press and hold to the down volume button, we can see that the flashlight is activated. So if you want to change the torch option, for example, to open the camera app or another one, we just should first launch the settings, scroll down to the shortcuts and accessibility, and then tap to quick action. Now here we can switch it to recording, open the camera, Facebook app or another application, and just from here you can select one from these apps. For example, let's use the Google Chrome, or just let's open the camera. So now let's just lock our device, press down volume button, and we can see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.